So let's begin the first topic of your subject marketing management, that is our marketing. So I think it's first of all we have to discuss about what actually the market is and what is actually the term marketing state from. So the term marketing is derived from the word market, which refers to a group of sellers and the buyers cooperate to exchange the goods and services. So the what they're trying to say that the marketing words is derived from the word market. What is market? Is actually market is a place where we just buying the goods and services. We are buying the goods and services to satisfy our need, and the person who is selling that goods and services, they sell because they want to earn the profit from that. So the term, from the term market term is a very short term. Marketing term is a very broad term. Marketing is basically a trending term used nowadays, because in the marketing we just not only sell the product, we convince the person to buy the product. Because the today customer is was very much aware, they know each and everything. So I think it's a very necessary to influence the person so that they buy the product. So we can say marketing is a key in which we aware the person about the product, convince the person to buy the product. Now there are some definitions of marketing. The American Marketing Association defined the process of planning, executing the conception, pricing, promotion, distributions of ideas, goods and services to create exchange that satisfy individual and organization object. So American Marketing Association says that what is marketing? Marketing is basically a conception, is a pricing, promotion, idea. So what they're trying to say that in marketing is not just involved to just sell the product. They involve firstly to generate the idea what we have to produce, then we have to select the price, we select the quality, we use the promotional tools, and then we distribute the goods and services to the people. So it's almost all things: the price, quality, your idea, your conception, your promotion techniques should select after considering the taste of the customer. The Charter Institute of Marketing says that the management process responsible for anticipating, satisfy customer requirement, profitability. And Philip Cotter says that satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. Exchange process means when we sell the product to the customer, we just satisfy their needs and wants, what they actually want. Now let's discuss about the importance of the marketing. Marketing promotes product awareness to the public. Actually, sometime what's happened that sometime in the marketing there are lots of products are launched, but some customers are unaware that any new product come in the market. So marketing is a tool which promote our product. As we see in that in the newspapers, there are so many advertisements are shown in when we watch the TV, there are so many ads and show in which they are very well doingly present the product, so that customer comes to know about the product. Second, marketing helps boost product sale. As we can say, we can take the examples of the companies, banking sector, that they are selecting the marketing persons, marketing candidates to promote their business. What they actually did, they just promote the product, they aware the people about the product, and automatically in the results your sales start boosting up. Because when a customer comes to know about product, obviously they want to purchase your product, and they start purchasing your product, and in result your sales going to boost. Next is a marketing builds company reputation. When people have awareness about their product, they start buying your product, then what happened? Your sales go boost up, when to raise, and when your product selling start increasing, your reputation in the marketing will increasing. As we can say, in I think in 2018 the Geo come into existence, and a lot of people, I think 99% of the Indian population buy their sims. And so, and due to their too much selling, we can say selling policy, and too much sale, in the result their reputation start increasing. Now there is a briefly there are types of marketing: online marketing, offline marketing. In online marketing, we will do the marketing through online. Like we can say, when we are browsing something on the internet and the chromes, we will show some little bit ads, little bit offers. This is called the online marketing. That when we are using our digitalization, we can say it's a digitalization market, then we are using some online facilities, and some ads are shown to boost up the product. In offline marketing, we use the newspapers to boost up the product. As you can see on the screen, that 50% off in a new furniture include flow stock, conditions apply. So this is the ad in the newspaper. So they don't use any software, computer software, and they just use the newspaper. This is the offline marketing. Word of mouth marketing. Word of mouth marketing is a marketing, as we can say, if I am buy some product. For example, I buy a new bag and it's a really a very good, so obviously I appreciate the product with my friends. So if they like that product, this is, we can say, the word of mouth marketing. Or in another sense, we can say, when the companies uh, uh, when the companies ask their colleagues to meet the person and to ask him about the quality and prices of the product, it's a word of mouth marketing. So this is all about the types of marketing: offline, online, importance of marketing, and definition of marketing. So this is the overview, little brief of what the actually marketing is. And the different authors are giving their statements on the meaning of the marketing. Thank you.